This video is about how to collect Alpine Race collectible NFT and how to sell it. Let's get started. First, open your Binance app and tap on the More icon. Click on Announcement, then press on the Latest Activity button. The first activity. Now tap on. Scroll down and click on the button. You'll read is greater than or equal to 20 Alpine tokens to claim the NFT. However, if you are a new Binance user, you can claim it without any tokens. If you don't have enough tokens, you can buy is greater than or equal to 20 Alpine tokens. Simply search for Alpine. In bin and purchase the required number of tokens after buying the tokens. Go back to the activity page to receive the Alpine NFT. Click here. To collect the NFT, I have successfully received the NFT. Now let's move on to the next step, selling the NFT. Click here to see your NFT collections. Locate the Alpine NFT and click on Alpine Race Collectibles to see the current NFT price. The floor price is currently 0.27 USDT. If you want to list your NFT for sale, click here. You can set your NFT price at 0.27 USDT or any other desired price, such as 0.4 USDT. In this case, select the duration for your listing. Black circle and confirm the details. Your NFT is now listed on Binance. If someone buys your NFT at the listed price, you'll receive 0.4 USDT. Otherwise, if the NFT doesn't sell, you can try listing it again. No problem. You can delist again and again. Thanks for watching video.